Hey there, food lovers! Today we're diving deep into a culinary delight that's beloved all around the world, the meat pie. Imagine biting into that crispy golden crust and finding a juicy, savory filling inside. Sounds amazing, right? Let's uncover some tasty traditions and variations of meat pies from around the globe. First up, let's take a trip to England. The classic British meat pie, often called a steak and ale pie, is a comfort food staple. Filled with tender chunks of beef, rich gravy and sometimes mushrooms, all encased in a buttery pastry. It's the perfect companion for a chilly day, often enjoyed with a side of mashed potatoes and peas. Now let's hop over to Australia for the iconic Aussie meat pie. These handheld delights are typically filled with minced meat, gravy and sometimes onions or cheese. They're a popular snack at sporting events and bakeries, embodying the casual, laid-back Australian vibe. You haven't lived until you've enjoyed an Aussie meat pie straight from a bakery. Heading further east, we can't forget about the Russian pierogi. These small, pillowy pastries can be filled with a variety of ingredients, but minced meat mixed with rice, onions and spices is a common and beloved filling. Often fried or baked, pierogi are a perfect grab-and-go snack, bursting with flavor in every bite. Next, we travel to Nigeria to discover the delicious meat pie known as Nigerian meat pie. These scrumptious pastries are filled with minced meat, potatoes and sometimes carrots, all seasoned with a blend of spices that give them a distinct, mouth-watering flavor. They're a celebration staple and a true crowd pleaser. Finally, let's not forget the Latin American empanada. Found in countries like Argentina and Chile, empanadas are stuffed with seasoned meat, onions, olives, and sometimes hard-boiled eggs. Baked or fried, these pastries are a burst of flavor and a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Latin America. So, there you have it, food lovers. From the hearty British steak and ale pie to the spicy Nigerian meat pie, each culture brings its unique twist to this beloved dish. Why not try making one of these at home and bring a piece of the world to your kitchen? Until next time, keep exploring and savoring every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Happy eating!